Hey, TikTok. Not TikTok. YouTube. Welcome. You are now watching NAA. Is back. I got some different. Another reaction. Check it out. Check me out. We don't get right into this one.
A routine welfare check spirals into a nightmare when a chilling discovery is uncovered in the freezer.
What's in the freezer? Oh,
This is
God.
Inside the Crime, presented by
Burgers.
Law and Crime. I'm Elizabeth Lomer.
Fries.
The home was crawling with fleas and reeked of urine and feces. But the real
No.
shock came when the little girl revealed a hidden horror she had been living with all along.
On there and take pictures.
Some of the what now?
Dead cats are in the freezer.
It's July 2nd of
Wait,
2025.
what? Dead cats? Damn. Does it stink?
And take pictures.
Some of the what now?
Dead cats are in the freezer.
It's July 2nd, 2025. We're in Truman, Arkansas. Around noon, an anonymous call comes in prompting a welfare check at a local home. Just before 1 p.m., officers arrive to the home of 38-year-old Samantha Platts.
Truman Police welfare check.
Open up. Open up.
Come to the door,
Open.
please.
Come to the door.
You were just standing at this front door.
Oh.
I'm disabled. It takes me a minute to get out of bed.
Okay, somebody was standing right here hurting. So,
No.
Damn.
okay.
Not the
Maybe.
I'm Officer Davis and I
disabled.
work for the Truman Police Department.
Oh,
We
God.
received.
A call.
Ma'am. Where's your cats? Are you cooking those? You making feline pie?
My daughter because she's pissed off that I won't let her go to my youngest
to do a welfare check on a 10-year-old.
go to Cherokee
she at?
Village with her. She's in her room.
We'd like to see her,
Ooh.
please.
Yeah.
Here with you.
Let's talk to her. You know what? I'll ask her.
This is my bedroom. It's a mess. The rest
Where's
of the house
Brody?
is clean.
Oh,
Brody's in
God.
the back like he always is. He's not inside.
Says
This
so
is my
mad.
bedroom.
Where?
Huh?
And she's in here?
Yep. Her room is clean.
Oh. How is she the only clean one? You the parent. Let's see.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you? Oh, what's your name? Doing all right? Okay. We gotta ask you to come over here and check on you. So. 11:18. Bodie's back there somewhere.
Oh. We got a
Alright,
call.
Give me just a minute. Go check.
It's your mom. Crazy.
How you doing?
Is that bitch
Is-
crazy?
Backyard or back in the house?
Can
Oh,
I get to the
God.
back through here?
Yeah.
Ooh. Cause it's a little messy.
Is anybody else in the house besides you two?
Yeah. My cats. They in the freezer
Who's up?
though.
Whose bed is this?
Ooh.
What is that?
Now, I think many of us can agree our homes can get a little messy here and there, but probably not to the level officers described when responding to this home, especially with the young child. The moment officers stepped inside the house, they noted being met with an overwhelming stench of ammonia. But Samantha and her 10-year-old daughter weren't the only ones on the property. There was a lot more waiting for officers beyond these walls.
No. Damn.
Bodie Williams!
Damn. Wait. What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Oh, God. Sir,
Who's in there with you?
come out here.
Huh?
Couple of friends. My cousin Morgan.
Oh.
Sit
Are
there.
you disabled? Oh, yeah. We got them. We got a couple of them. Damn. They're hiding in there. How many we got?
Save your life, Kevin.
1, 2. Oh God. Not the crack smokers. Not the fiends. The fiends are over there. You know what you light a cigarette after what? They just did that.
Okay. Alright. There's a lot to unpack here. A lot to unpack here. Y'all, step out one at a time, please.
Oh.
One at a time. One at a time. Calm down. Yep. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Keep your eyes on everybody's hands, please. Everybody keep your hands where they can be seen when you step out here, okay?
Where's the rocks? I must say it. Where's the rocks? Give me the crack. Where's the crack?
Come around back.
Where's the tweet?
All three of them are searchable, one at a time.
Oh. Alright. Can I say it? He knows he don't have another cigarette. This is a cigarette before jail. The bogey before the hoagies get you.
Wong, you copy?
Yeah, okay.
What's she doing?
You really want to come from the house.
Dispatch route with
Oh God. She
last
tweaking.
name. I know you.
Arnold.
Doris Arnold. Doris Arnold. Kevin Jones. Bodie Williams.
Oh God.
How you doing?
You call probation patrol, see if somebody can search her. Or Amy. You have Amy? See if Amy can find.
Search her for the drugs. She got it.
All of his pockets? Yep. See them cigarettes,
Oh.
Kevin? Don't take your hand up. Take your hand up. There you go.
Oh. Y'all in that piece of shit. Y'all can't clean it a little bit. There's 3 of y'all. Like, can't, like, a little bit. Just move this shit over to the side. Can't even do that. Fuck that door.
Me?
Go ahead, please.
Oh God.
Where's Arnold out of Truman? NCO is
Who's in the ceiling?
She
Someone
has
there?
no state and federal numbers. She's
Hello?
a police to Christy Gardner. She is under active supervision, and the search waiver is on file.
He's looking for the rocks. He know there's rocks in there. He know.
2052.
Oh.
Kevin Jones, blackmail shown to be expired, suspended ID. State federal, shown to be a parolee to Justin Barnes, active supervision, search for on file. That'll be for Kevin Jones, date of birth 11/17/81.
Oh God.
Simple.
That tweet. What's that?
D1 51 on voting.
Oh. Oh yeah, the rocks.
Good.
Cody Williams, White Mountain, Perrysburg, should be suspended ID, extensive previous traffic, state and federal numbers, 50
It probably smells like crack in that place. Probably, yeah.
Okay, so you were dispatched.
Got
I'm not
it.
taking over. Read everybody the Miranda rights.
The contents in the little baggie didn't look too good. Police later confirmed they found meth in the shed and meth pipes. So,
sweet.
one by one, Samantha's boyfriend, Bodie Williams, and his friends were all placed under arrest.
If everybody would pick an officer, turn around, put your hands on your back.
I'm Bodie. Alright, when you guys came out, you guys weren't suspicious at all. You guys were in this. Look at. So we didn't know you was back there smoking crack. Look at you behind the door. Alright. Oh. Did we not know what they were? It's like, what are you doing? Oh. See, they're behind this door.
Step through here.
Oh.
Save your life, Kevin.
Yeah. What do you think they were doing? Crack. Tweak. They smoke cigarettes before or after the tweet.
Okay.
What they think?
No, Williams.
Oh god, we had no idea, right? Ooh, damn. He found the tweet.
Police later confirmed they found meth in the shed and meth pipes. So, one by one, Samantha's boyfriend, Bodie Williams, and his friends were all placed under arrest.
If everybody
Wait,
would
those is his friend? Damn Bodie. Bodie up. Tweaker. Bodie. Nigga named Bodie. What's your name? What you in here for? My name's Bodie.
Good.
And I was tweaking.
Then double up.
I got caught with tweet. Wait, which one's Bodie? That's probably Bodie. Ooh. Damn. Told you. That was your last cigarette.
Nobody move.
Cause
I'll swap you. Let you finish. It ain't terrible.
I don't think they're allowed cigarettes in jail anymore. So you're gonna be clean unless you can get some.
Here, but you definitely need to clear everything. This is sitting. I believe
Oh,
it's sitting right here. So
Oh yeah, that's a good bag dope.
little bag. Probably
oh,
a little less than an 8-ball, but it's almost there. So,
Take a picture of it.
not enough.
yeah. He was like, you know what? I hope they don't find the drugs so I can smoke those when I'm out. Honestly, that looks like crack hub, tweak hub, for sure, for sure. Where's Bodie? Oh god damn. And this in the bag. That's crazy.
You have everything?
Yeah.
Everything you found, search that whole area right there?
Yeah.
Alright, just secure it all in the vehicle, make sure the door's locked.
Okay.
Officers observed not only drugs and drug paraphernalia, they also observed fleas, gnats, nearly a dozen cats roaming around, which meant the property was coated in cat urine and feces.
No way.
Damn.
What? Oh. Yeah, I can smell the ammonia is bad enough. That's right there.
This is the bed
Oh,
she
God.
referenced. I'm betting that laptop's here.
I hate that cat smell.
So,
I mean, cats are my enemy, son. Yeah, I'm a rooster. So, I don't need no cats around me. I don't know. When I get a cat, they piss and shit everywhere. Like, everywhere. Like, and I had a, alright. I had a cat when I was younger, but it was my mom's cat. She liked animals. But that cat, it ran up a tree. I was like, fuck, yeah. Cat went up a tree. I'm like, don't this happen in cartoons? Like, is this a cartoon? Am I dreaming? Fuck. And the cat definitely ran up a big ass tree. That nigga ran away after that. Oh god. I smell feline. Not your girl. Small cat.
No.
That place probably stink.
I don't either. Or that one. There was allegedly dogs somewhere, but they're claiming there's no dogs on the property. So.
He just ran in, or is that? I don't know what that was.
Trevor, give me your work phone.
Probably a rat.
DHS is on the way.
Crendon County.
Somebody named Leah.
Oh, she's
The plug. Okay.
Oh, there is
Nah,
a
it's a cop. When you're in the dirty ass house with the children in there, yeah, we taking your kids. We taking them. Safety. Like, this is crazy.
I think this may be the kids' room.
Oh god, no.
This looks like.
Damn. It looks like the cat's been in there. You don't think so? And it looks like they ain't washed their sheets since they got him. And they got him last year.
Well, the kid was in that room. So.
Oh.
There's crayons and stuff over here. And backpack.
Damn. How you got trash? You probably got. Oh god. I got roaches in there. Right? What is that?
And we move this over there.
Dang.
Matter of fact, we've documented on body cam and living conditions. No.
Yeah.
This isn't worth it. I can't read through it.
It may very well not be in here.
Yeah.
I think if it is, it's up there in her front room, but
That's the front room.
that's terrifying.
Can't even get in the bathroom. That's crazy.
I think this should be.
Is there any food here at all?
That's what I'm looking for.
There's some cereal right here.
Oh.
Oh god.
I
At
don't know
least
what this
it's
qualifies as a little man.
power.
I mean, I guess it's all packaged individually, but man.
It's still, even the ammonia levels in here, no. And there's but it's more than just
Okay.
You get a picture of this whole room?
Yeah, I got.
How about this one? This
Yeah.
kid's room that I was telling you about.
I got
Oh
pictures.
god. Hey kitty.
Every corner. Oh yeah, this is.
That cat malnourished.
She brought me in here. See, it's clean. It's fine. So
Of course.
she was
Clean-ish.
laying on this bed, dude. Cages.
According to police, the
She
10-year-old girl was
disabled.
visibly embarrassed about the state of her home. The little girl told officers she couldn't even remember the last time she ate. Police also confirmed there was minimal food in the kitchen. But the biggest surprise, though, the little girl revealed there was something else the officers had to see.
I bet Bodie knows what that is.
Deer don't have teeth like that, do they?
I mean, that would be the back towards.
No, flip the skull back around. That's a freaking dog, dude. That's a dog.
Take photos of that too.
That is a dog
You
head.
can tell by the back teeth.
Yeah. Rest in peace to the
They took.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Find that number. Humane Society?
Yeah, contact them.
I don't. Sam
I don't
can't take
know.
cats, can she?
No,
We don't
I
have
don't
anywhere
know.
to house them. And she's off. She had teeth pulled. She's on medication.
I don't know how many cats there are.
oh no.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure they're getting taken care of. That way they don't starve or die in the house or anything. Okay.
It's Jonesboro?
I believe so.
It's
Some of the dead
Harrisburg.
cats are in the
Is it
freezer,
Harrisburg?
so you might want to go in there and take pictures.
Some of the.
Oh, she knows. The neighbor knows. Is that the daughter?
Now,
Dead cats are in the freezer.
Yeah.
dead cats are in the freezer.
Yeah.
They can get taken care of.
I didn't know. No, I'm not doing that, right?
We don't want them to get sitting in here
Yeah.
dying. Okay.
That's what she said.
I appreciate
Yes, there's dead cats.
Yeah. Going back.
Sorry, did I overlook that?
it. Nope, you did.
Stop.
Oh.
Damn.
Because now I'm thinking about animal cruelty.
One there. There's one back here.
She said there's 12.
Shut up, dude.
No. No, dude.
Nope. Okay, not that one.
Okay, I just went in here. Oh my god.
What's that? Is that what that is? Oh. That's not a cat.
That's not.
Oh, dang.
No. No.
It's probably these.
That's watermelon.
At least the freezer on.
I don't know if it's a fridge.
Where's the cats?
This one. Oh, you
Oh.
want to go get the kid? No, never mind. Okay.
Damn.
Oh, come on, dude.
No.
Come on. Oh my God.
Damn. Found him. We got him.
Oh, it's in both, Blaine. It's in both.
Damn. That nigga went. He was dizzy for a
Trevor.
second.
Yeah. Back room to the right, freezers. Take pictures. Yeah. They're in both of them. We need good pictures.
We need good ones.
I would fight hard for that. You like Big Sister? Do you have a good...
But you're not listening.
I don't have to
Put your foot in the car now.
Officials say 24 cats were found in that freezer. Officers noted the cats were severely emaciated, found in a curled position, which was suggestive that they were frozen alive. DHS removed the 10-year-old girl from the home and placed her into the care of her adult sister. Both Samantha Platts and her boyfriend Bodie Williams were charged with 24 counts of aggravated animal cruelty. Samantha also faced a charge of endangering the welfare of a minor in the second degree. In December of 2025, Bodie negotiated a plea deal for 1 count of aggravated cruelty to a dog or a cat. He avoided jail time and was sentenced to 36 months of probation. Under the conditions of his plea deal, Bodie Williams cannot own or be around pets. As for Samantha Platt, she's reportedly still awaiting trial. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Milner.
NAA has done another video. Did you guys like it? If you liked it, like, comment if I should do more of these, and then subscribe to me. Oh God. Thank you.